Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I've got a stick of unsalted butter and it's been sitting out and it has been room temperature. So I'm going to stick this in my bowl and I'm going to mix this well. I'm going to beat this butter until smoothing on low speed. I smoothen that sugar out. Now I'm going to get a half a cup of brown sugar. Okay, after I smooth that out, I've got a half a cup of granulated white sugar that I'm going to pour in here. And I'm going to smooth this out along with the brown sugar. 1 egg. Beat until well mixed. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And there is my teaspoon. Mix well. Half teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm just going to mix this in here, making sure it's incorporated all together. A half teaspoon of table salt. And I'm also going to just mix this with my hands. I'm doing a whole cup of flour, but I'm just going to mix it all in there. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. Get it all combined and incorporated in. And I am using my mixer. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Okay. So I took it out as I got that incorporated. And I'm just going to mix this all together. Now I'm going to add about a half a cup of chocolate chips. Okay, I've got just about enough. This is a half a cup of mini chocolate chips. I'm just going to toss these around, combining these very well into my cookie dough. And these are so cute because they're just like mini. I'm going to make mini chocolate chip cookies. Look at these. Okay, then I'm just going to daub my cookies, doing like a half spoon. On each little circle. I'm going to do about 6. We're going to put them in the oven, do about 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I was baking some of these cookies that we had made. I made some big, some small. I didn't really kind of measure them out. I just kind of spooned them. So as I spooned them, this is still kind of stuck to the, okay. And when I first did them, I added, some chocolate chips. I didn't measure it. I just kind of like eyeballed it. Well, the first one, I looked like it needed a little bit more. So that's what I did. I just added a little bit more to my dough kind of mixed it up around there. These are still nice and warm. Now, another thing that I want to also tell you all, guys, that those are totally different sizes because I did not measure it all. Just saying that one more time, just in case you didn't hear at first. Okay, so when I put the cookies on, I put them on my baking sheet, which is over here, and I just spooned them in each little hole. So when it went into the oven, it started to spread out. Well, what I did is I took the cookie out and I down on a hard surface that wasn't too hard, maybe like the stove or something, and try to make them flat and kind of had them spread out a little bit more because I'm trying to make them thinner. I don't like them a little thick. I like them a little thin. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you do like it. And I tell you what, if you look on the bottom of the page, there will be the full recipe and instructions on how to make these delicious chocolate chip cookies. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you can come back so we can make great more dishes, you and me. Because guess what? I didn't do this alone. You did this. You and me. But we're going to do more great things together. Hey, guys, see you next time. Bye.